In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to video clips in DaVinci Resolve 20, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know how to import your music, place it on the timeline, line it up with your footage, trim it, split it, adjust the volume, and add smooth fade-ins and fade-outs so everything sounds clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. All right, let's jump right into it. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit page. You can get there by clicking the third icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where most of your timeline editing happens, including music placement and audio adjustments. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left and find the Media pool. This is where all of your imported files will appear. Now, to bring in your music file, right-click inside the empty area of the Media pool. From the menu that appears, choose Import Media. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. A file browser window will open, and from there, select the audio file you want to use. After that, click Open, and your music will appear in the media pool ready to use. Next, it's time to place the music on your timeline. Click and drag the audio file from the media pool down into the timeline. Make sure you drop it onto a track below your video clips, usually on A1 or A2. Keeping the music on a separate audio track makes it easier to control, edit, and mix without affecting your video clips. Once the music is on the timeline, you can align it with your video. If you want the music to start at a specific moment, click and drag the audio clip left or right until it lines up with the exact point you want. This is especially useful if you want the beat to hit when something important happens in the video, like a scene change, logo reveal, or transition. If the music is too long, you can trim it to fit your video. Hover your cursor over the end of the audio clip until it changes into a bracket icon. Then click and drag the edge inward to shorten the clip. This lets you match the music to the length of your video without any extra audio carrying on at the end. If you need to cut the music into separate parts, move the playhead to the exact spot where you want the split. Then press Ctrl+B to use the blade tool and split the clip. After the clip is cut, select the part you don't want and press backspace to remove it. This is a great way to keep only the best sections of a song or remove awkward parts that don't fit your edit. Now let's talk about volume, because this is one of the most important parts of making your video sound good. To adjust the overall volume of the music, click the white horizontal line running through the center of the audio clip. Drag it upward to make the music louder or downward to make it quieter. As you do this, keep an eye on the mixer panel so your audio levels stay balanced. For most edits, it's a good idea to keep music somewhere between -6 dB and -12 dB, especially if there is voiceover or dialogue in the video. Finally, let's add a professional touch with fade-ins and fade-outs. Hover over the top corners of the audio clip until you see a small white tab appear, then drag that tab inward towards the center of the clip. Doing this creates a smooth fade at the beginning or end of the music, which helps avoid sudden starts or harsh endings. A fade-in makes the music come in gently, and a fade-out makes it end more naturally. And that's it. You now know how to add music to video clips in DaVinci Resolve 20. Place it on the timeline, line it up with your footage, trim and split it, adjust the volume, and add smooth fades for a clean final result. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.